A dataset contains the data that is used as input when building a machine learning model. After the dataset is uploaded into the application, a quest can be modeled to make use of the data. Uploading is available from the overview page, which is the application landing page. Here, you can preview all dataset entries in a tiles view or a grid view. Both views display the dataset name, description, status, and last update. Objects are sorted by the most recently created or updated. Content-based filtering is available on the right side of the toolbar. The first position is reserved for the Add tile, which is used for dataset upload. You can upload data from a file in your local system or from Infor Data Lake. Additionally, a dataset can be saved from a quest inside Infor Coleman AI platform. When importing data from a local system, you can upload delimited files, and currently we are supporting the following formats: CSV or comma-separated values, TSV, tab-separated values, DSV, delimiter-separated values, using a custom delimiter. To upload a dataset from file, follow these steps. Click Add on the overview page and select File. Specify a name and optionally a description for the dataset. Browse to and select the file. Select the delimiter type and click Preview to display the first 100 rows of the selected dataset. If a header row does not exist in the file, generic names are displayed, for example, column_1. Now go to the metadata section to view and edit the columns of the file. The data types are automatically defined based on the uploaded file, but you should confirm the estimated data type and adjust if necessary using the drop-down list of the supported types: float, integer, boolean, date-time, date, string, long, or double. There are cases when the date or timestamp data types from the file are not recognized correctly by the metadata guesser, as there are too many format variants these can take on. For this case, you have the possibility to manually specify the date and timestamp format of the respective dataset. Now click Save. When the data is loaded, you can select the Statistics tab to view basic statistics for the dataset. To import data from Infor Data Lake, follow these steps. Click Add on the overview page and select Infor Data Lake. Specify a name and description for the dataset. Select the desired import method. You can choose Filter, which will allow you to choose and upload by document name from the Infor Data Lake repository. Specify a date range. The second method is to define an SQL query. This will load data from Infor Data Lake according to the specified query. Click Preview to display a sample of the selected dataset. Metadata is not editable for datasets imported from Data Lake. This will be possible in the process of building of the quest by applying the Edit Metadata activity. Click Save, and when the data is loaded, you can select the Statistics tab to view basic statistics for the dataset. Before you save a dataset, the data is available to preview, but the status of the dataset is no data loaded. After you click Save, the data is being converted into usable format for further processing, and the status turns to loading. When loading is completed, the status is set to either data loaded or loading failed. When loading had failed, you can try to reload or cancel the loading. If you cancel the reloading for a new dataset, the status is set to no data loaded. If you cancel reloading for an existing dataset, the status will be data loaded, and that referring to the last successfully uploaded version of the dataset. Any dataset having status data loaded is ready for use in the quest modeling.